Hey guys, this is part two. Apparently my phone had stopped recording, so I guess this is going to be part two. I was going to end the video here. Alright, we're all set. So this is going to be part two. Because, last video, part one, we were looking at that owl, which I've never seen an owl in person. Well, I don't think if I didn't take my glove off and started zooming in, probably that wouldn't have happened, but I thought that was kind of cool. Now, I guess I got two videos to upload today. Because I don't know how to edit. There ain't a whole lot of snow back here, actually. Alright. This is where the low power line ends. So it goes that way. I really can't go. I mean, I could walk that way, but I'm starting to freeze to death here. We would need like a mud machine or a really good four-wheeler to go that way. There's farms that way. I think that's what it looks like. I'm not going to take my glove off and zoom in again. And live on the other side. That's I think our tree out back over there. And there's a deer feeder yonder that way. Gotta give this hand a break. Recently they were doing something up there this end of the fall. I mean, yeah, end of the summer, mid-fall. Here's snowplows out that way. That was pretty cool. Like you said, I haven't been back here in months. I'm not going to go that way just because I'm starting to get really, really cold now. And either that's fog or the weather's had really started to turn. I think we got a drizzle. Because that noise I'm hearing, I think there's the trees making it sound like that we're getting freezing rain. So I think it's just the drizzle, but as temperatures drop, like up there, you can see it's getting more foggier. And this is where they drive in at, and I think it's up there somewhere. Remember a while back, I think someone had hunting dogs. I was out here, and I heard actually howling, so I was like, you know what? Better get out of here. Well, I guess we'll start heading back to the house. At one point, I think this was part of farmland too, and they just downgraded the fields, and then trees took over this area. Because these trees hasn't been here for not as long as as long as these trees been. This is called a right of way. If you're all just wondering. See if I can get my hand in my other pocket and so I can, holding my pants up here. That's what I could have done was started uploading the first video while I was filming this one. Because as soon as I get up to the house, I'm going to upload them. We're on the opposite side from where I was. There's some blackberry bushes mixed in with all this. I think that tree's tagged to come down. Is that technically this right-of-way road has to stay clear. There's the house, like I said, don't go very far. Back there is where we saw the owl. That's ice. Straight ice on top of that snow. That's why I'm having a hard time walking. I think we can find the entrance to that. I said, there's the house. Sorry if I'm pointing the camera at the ground. My arm's getting kind of tired. We got another animal. Oh, that's a bird. They said this is the trail here. See, I don't really do summer walks in the woods anymore because the bugs and stuff like this. Mainly the bugs. I'm not going too far down. Then snakes. Let's see, yeah, that's been a while since I've been down here because that wasn't like that. And that tree is kind of old. So I ought to check. I can't get my other phone out, so I'm gonna see if the wife's trying to get a hold of me at all. Yeah, this is definitely the trail. Like I said, the last time I was down it, this wasn't here. Takes you up to the next field up the road. And I say that tree, that all wasn't down the last time I was down here. And that wasn't like this. So this trail doesn't get used. I think it's an old hunting trail. Or they used it to get back and forth between fields instead of going up the road. Some old trees back here. Yeah, that one's old. These two are kind of old. Now, this ain't really a weekly project, but then again, I forgot to upload them. That means more content later in other weeks. So I'll really start heading towards the house now. Just because my nose is starting to run and I'm getting tired of pulling up my pants like every couple seconds. I wasn't even going to plan on going back there. I said that's where we just came from. Comment down below, what do you think the weather is now? We're getting freezing rain, a misty rain. It ain't snow. So I'd have to take my glove off to get my other phone out of my pocket to actually see what it's doing. Which I think the last time I looked, it wasn't doing anything. Alright, it's going to be a while before they plow our street. And I don't think our street's not a state maintained anyways. And I think if it is, it's like one of the last ones. So which means it could be Wednesday before they come through here. Maybe Thursday. The buses don't even come down here unless they have to. Oh, I almost sound like a motorcycle. Once I get up to this ledge here, we'll end the video. Yeah, it's starting to turn really gray up here. Then my phone screen's starting to get wetter. I'm back in my foot track. That definitely does not feel like, that feels like freezing rain to me, to be honest with you. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one. Thanks for watching.